Hello, Male. Shana ba Kamal, Shana Tiang Kamal, Shana Boot Kamal. Shaloi da test con concern waru mention e banan wale. Neri yenne yakondial. Today ne jogo no happy Sunday Australia ke Saturday ka North America. Shara kamen nga yen anyone na mejen platform la kon yen kon Latin concern waru men. And shari magwe yen shura wana mo janen morun ki morun mere nyaka Derek. And today we have a very, very special guest with us. We have our mother, our sister Nyariel. So I'm pretty sure Nyariel no Uchi. Shana Goro no by spoil an introduction and don't they lot about Nyariel because Nyariel and Yanwara, and that's why Yana right now cái tông Nuer của dân chỉ sợ cái and show mà ba lát cái tông Nuer Nuer mới chẳng biết là thế này pronunciation chẳng bao giờ cái mấy tròn mà qua giờ lên những điều đàn của tông Nuer so con cho lôi đặt thế then one lệ của chắc là mama kia sister Nyariel sẽ bên các con after so many years để chỉ dân cái role Nuer cái Genova Sudan but she not gonna be reconnect ni Nuer coach and she's gifted.
You see network the drop?
Network, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Maria.
Yeah, okay.
You can go ahead, Manuel.
Okay, yes, without further ado, question go to no by spoil and Rajamo. A time about con by Nidivaka Jacob Bika introduce because the main goal here is to hear from her mother, from her sister, Nyariel, the message that she would like to share with her people. Then she'll get enough. And thank you very much. And the main thing, please, go now, you share this video. Press the button now, share it with your network because we want this message to reach many Nuer as we can. I'll leave it from here and I'll give the mic to my sister, Maria Palton. Thank you very much. Please share the video.
Okay. Male Yendial, Male Nyariel.
Male.
Mal no gwa. Chi loy da te ko chi ben ko kon wale. Cha ko jagor ko gwa mabaro de te kel ko la kin donga jen changen yari la ko kodan wale. Ba chuda la netin gwe ko chal ke chuda Maria Nyalit Paltang. I can't wait to hear from Nyariel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ruth?
Okay, you done? All right, thank you. The net in the alienating Chaban Kaline. When the Kundial entire thing, Runong Katana, the work Kasana, Ye Changder, in a ner, Kalani LIHARON, Jatan, no Biabenola, Banabente Kel Kenyarial, Choda Thoknath, Charlie Nyarial. Ngan Charlie Nyakal Thomas, Taka Canada, one of concerned women in that ka network da me nyari al taban be baraji yo ka Thoknath ka dong batana bo be olat ka tok mini and then yen min chalat minan mite ramite ka question ke mite mgoro belar bo yo den gora comment gome dan binene so biography da ba ko na lamadung tit ka tok mini and then bi nyari al baben be presentation and be ka jawala beben come kon and then elarita loy. First of all, Professor Lloyd at the long, which been a concern room and all. Najo, Northern one will be Lloydian betet. Need the Allen like a jitter Lloydian Kaladan lady, Rainori, Nimen Moody, a long way. And yeah, so I'll just read the biography briefly in English. Professor Nyariel, a professor doing Emerita of Anthropology and African Studies at University of Wisconsin, Madison. author and researcher for many years in South Sudan, with a special interest in how Nuer cultural and social life has been changing over the past 50 years or more. Nyarel served for a period on the civilian protection monitoring team, Sudan, for a period during Sudan's second civil war. Nyarel have been very active in defending the human rights of South Sudanese civilians, especially Nuer communities, forcibly displaced from the oil zone during the late 90s and early 2000s. Nyarel recently founded a publishing company called South Sudan Cultural Production, LLC, in Madison, Wisconsin. Nyarel speaks and writes Arabic, Spanish, Nuer, French, and of course English. And she said that she once knew Zulu, but I've forgotten it. All right, so we welcome you, Nyarel, to the show here. So you can introduce yourself and take it away.
She loaded to the long, Mala Yandial. She loaded to the long go, she a come gua the me, go baroch kie. And Shola Nyarial, kie Sharon Hutchinson. She an Nyarial in Julian, Nyarial born Julian, Nyarial edan, eran loaquoth. Jen erish madongba. Ngan Nyarial en a reude. Ean nicht wil gore medid, kia university. Ean ran me gor ni shangnath. Ngan sha gore roch kaye en wale ko. Ba te the loida larye ke queen nad dia tinshike al luak. Ko ba shang nuringaish korunikor. Uruni ti gen one widien diej. Min loida ted ke qui yendia ni tinad. Medan me shenga ke ye. Me jala renuri ni reshen. An jala shereke ram mejal koth. Tili mejal kanga. Tili ran mi shia loithok. Tili athorimbil. La jala ke shoka bang, shereke ne dia reshen. Ke yen ne tinad. Shiena lor. Shiena gang mengot take a kor medit. Shiena moish ke mit. Shiena moish ke guad toja. Shiena ngish ke thogdun. Kene shiangdun. Shang tewal amani shang tinsha rogerti. And sha tinin wan ngaish kanori, tinin wan to go along. Medan me paya ladder walk kamdun, ean nyal dul gore medit. Kanedap ka gat ka dangrau, gat kantane taka nyada njolien mishole nyajal. Kene gada beben kore shole lunjok. Medan mean shinga ke rei nuri. Gan ka roich ka wuni ka ken kara. Shereke Evans Pritchard, Kenny Douglas Johnson. Ken wuni toto, she ken bog ni gor, ke qui shadni nuri te walba. Dungdo, qui ken thogdun. Ken ke jain rolun, shereke nga. Han poinda la roicha ke nuri dial, ko thoknath. Man keni wuni, dol keni nyer, amani gat. Han la rocha ke jiben tu, ke jikain dor, kene jikain sheng, ka lau, kene jifangak, amani ke jikain dor, tinteke robuni, Ethiopia ki habash. Sharoich ke ne te sharo barba, ka Khartoum, ka Kenya, amani ka gambella. Kan shasheng kel keye ba. Engu shajain roluno, an shajain ko ko gura ni ngay stog dun keni siang dun han gura ngay ngwani dun ko babok gor mi de kek dun kap nial pa nang nial ni ka ji America amani ji wi mon keliu ka boko mo sha gorba ejenne so le Nuer dilemmas coping with money war and the state kataka waragani tinyan wan tin kokien tin sha gor ke kwi shandun mi sharo ger amani tewal amani titiekti okay and time pan she an agor no bia thogdum palruish thoknath e thok magwalong ean I she elada no ba thogdum nish kagarkun elatun yen ne tinad dial ka taka bogni ti deyen rolwa kake ko bigat kun kwen kathogdun ansha shirika kie gwadlat company shale ko bogni ke shang nura kene thoknath baka kamrar bogni tin sha kamrar ke kenti mindiam e bogda neme bogda neme she bogda ewal ko kepekde sha rep kishok medodien dungde o shokomo shagor kathogna she thogdlizi ajeno ella mindiam eneme a Nuer English dictionary a dictionary miduk take a rietni tinin one rede nene shagor ran mishole Father J. Keegan ka e book magwalong nene shabath kakur rui jen baro we de diech kan liuna quicken nene shagor niwal nene sin reude ejen nene outlines of a Nuer grammar bogamo shagur a wood mishole JP Krazolara niwalka ka bogamo ranamo Krazolara eran inyam mekong thoknath gor niwalka ka bogamo sha kamarar niwalka karon bador kel wide korbangwan wide jen diok dungde o seba ba pandami antami sha kamera anok kamar walong kemedodien neme shole Nuer folk tales ki a roy shadni Nuera neme take a shadni Nuera shagor ka thog Nuera amani thog Inglese ke nyin kunni walka neme she lada pain e neitinath e urmishole Christian Carlasare e gasis ka entire take a rumbek but mediwal ka take a fanga kene Father Gregor kento kene neitinath nyuan chike shatni shakagwar kantame taka book tin kokien ke kwi gan kun tindeyen ke jack kathiliyo ti kokake bane waka present antaka website misha kambrarba kare a website da taka bogni ka thoknath ke kwi gan kun tinjendang one wije baro bogni Thankian bogni kamrar pai kamrar ka thankian bogni tewal bog shereke bog kel bog reo bog jok bog wan bog tiej bane wasin bane nyode Neme, Shinen Tame, Linge, Jenisin, Neme website da, ka ba nyother. Neme website da, ka take one take a home to create an accessible and cultural historical archive for present and future generations of South Sudanese. Karena may take a team one may take a project, kendial, ke take a bogni, can take a Jackson, one may, kendial, could take a children's books in Nuer and Dinka, one is in, children's books. Neme take a bogni, ke kui, kathok jani, neme thoknath. Neme take a bogni kendial. Mira, deke lep, neme a book and a loin go one. Okay? Ele take a de quen kagarkun. I don't know how to get out of this now. Take a tinin one, boni tigo. Hela, pegde, 1K. Take a teacher's guide for book reo, book kel, book reo, book diok, book one, book diej. Dong shi konen, neme book one. Neme ke kui garkun deke roquen. Kendial, kenyin kun. Randia, neni dia deke kamrar, deke print ken mu. Sorry, what happened? I don't know what happened to the website. Bendodian, neme medit. These ones, listen to Gundeng Bong's song predicting the end of the Arab Muslim domination. Kento, take a surini ni wal. Kendia take a neme de ling, she kap jo. Ella, kel, neme gunde wudnyang gara kek.
Okay, she's out.